In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embroider eyes, simple closed eyes. The first part, the ones without eyelashes, and then the second part, I'm going to show you to do the ones with eyelashes. Embroidering is, I think, something a lot of people hate. I'm not the biggest fan myself either, and I have to admit, it usually takes me a couple of tries before I get it right. But only practice makes you better, so let's get started. You got your piece you want to embroider, your yarn, your needle. You pick your spot where you want your eye to be, decide how big or small you want it to be. In our case, it's 3 stitches long. So you insert your needle from the inside into your piece and pull the yarn through. Really important, hold it on the inside, hold the tail tight, because we're going to put some tension on our yarn to shape the eye. So don't forget to hold it. And then you insert the needle back into your piece. In our case, 3 stitches to the right. And then pull it tight. That's the base for our eye. Now we want it to curve like this. So you're gonna pick a spot. In our case, 1 round underneath the yarn, because as you can see here, our eye is as tall as 1 round is high. So you're going to insert your needle back from the inside into your piece like this. And now, that's super important, we're going to thread our yarn underneath this part here, like this. Bring it up like this. And now bring it down like this and insert your needle in the exact same spot where your yarn exits your piece. Just like this, and pull it tight. So now we got the sharp corner here, but we want it to be round, so we need a second spot to repeat what we just did. So you insert your needle back into your piece, about 1 stitch to the right, like this. Okay, and then again underneath this part here and up, and back down, like this, and pull it tight. Okay, if it doesn't look perfect right away, that's perfectly normal. Might be a little too sharp, not perfectly round. Like I said, that's perfectly normal. Happens to everybody, I think. Happens to me too. You just bring it in shape with your needle. How your eye looks depends a lot on how neat your stitches are, because you kind of, to shape the eye, you drape your yarn around the stitches, right? So if your stitches are messy with big gaps and different size, then the eye also looks messy. So try to choose a spot where your stitches are neat. And you can trick a little. I'm gonna show you when we do the eye with the eyelashes. Yeah, you can cheat a little, depending on where you insert your needle down here. But I'm gonna show you when we do this eye. So yeah, I mean, don't give up if it's not perfect right away. Like I said, it still happens to me. Practice makes better, and I hope I was able to help some of you. Thank you for watching, and maybe till next time.